What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Henry, and welcome back for another market update. So today we're gonna make this video less than 5 minutes. We're gonna speed run this shit, and yeah, okay. So today was pretty damn exciting. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so what do we have on as far as candlesticks go? And guys, this is probably the closest to the end of the day that we're going to be recording these videos ever. Okay, so. Well, not ever, okay? Within the next few years, I will be probably, well, not, maybe within the next 2 years. I don't know. When I'm a million, I want to be a $1 million pizza delivery guy. That has been my goal for the past 2 years. And I already told my boss, like, that will be the day I do decide to leave Antonio's. And I do believe that will happen within the next 2 years. So yeah, within the next 2 years, guys, yeah, we will have post-market updates, and that will be pretty sick. Because we will get to see all these candlesticks form on the daily time frame every single day, which gives us more accuracy in our TA. That rhymed. All right, so we got a bearish engulfing candlestick on the SPY as well as QQQ, which is pretty cool. Now, SPY just started forming this. It wasn't forming it not too long ago. All right, now what do we have on the other indices? Let's just check. So DIA, bearish engulfing there. IWM, bearish engulfing there. So we are going to need the... we're going to need the confirmation for this. So we are going to need to close underneath this candlestick tomorrow, or on Tuesday, because we have Monday off. It is Labor Day, which who knows what's going to happen, guys. I mean, no one wants to hold into Labor Day, but what's going to happen after Labor Day is the question. I don't know. All right, I do know there's black swans on the table. I mentioned that in my last video. And I don't know if anything like that's going to be happening, but it is something certainly to look out. So I'm just going to tell you guys, I'm not going to be going long in the month of September, okay? Until Sebastian says it's okay, like, I really don't. I see no desire to go long. I see no reason, and I have no desire to go long. And think about it. I mean, there's just rug pull after rug pull. Like, it is September, guys. It's the most bearish month of the year, okay? I mean, like, if there's the most glorious setup, maybe I'll risk a few contracts, okay? I'll risk a few $100, maybe a grand. I'm feeling really ballsy, all right? But it's not going to be like the trades we set up here on the channel. I really do believe I only am going to be taking bearish trades in the month of September. And by that, I mean swing trades. Like, if I'm going for a scalp play, yeah, I have no problem with calls on that one. But, I mean, rug pulls really can come out of nowhere. And I think this is the month that it will most likely will be happening. All right, and I think we do have, we got some stuff coming up. We got FOMC coming up at the end of September, and I think that is probably going to tank the market. So whatever happens going into there, I mean, like, if we're rallying up into that, I think we're going, I mean, either way, even if we're dumping into that, I think we're going to dump. I don't think that's going to be a positive catalyst. But yeah, we're also going to have to wait to see what CPI has, okay, has in store for us, because we do always see a knee-jerk reaction when these numbers come out. All right, so that's also something that we're going to have to put on a chart. Not today, because under 5-minute video. Let's see, how much time do we still have? We still have 2 minutes. So we talked about SPY, we talked about our candlesticks. Now, I told you guys, I'm not going bearish, okay? I'm not taking a bearish trade while we are sitting here where we are with our oscillators, okay? But I also have been very vocal about saying I think we're going to be in store for something like this, like just a prolonged down, like just rough, it's going to be rough, okay? And I do think that will come with the daily oscillators bouncing up in here, all right? I think that's exactly what we have, but like, these days where, holy shit, you look like, oh, buy signal right here, FOMC, everything's looking bullish. Next day, you had a mother of all rug pulls, right? So it's just not, it's not worth it for me, all right? It's not worth to go long. So I'm just letting you guys know the month of September, that is not going to be what I will be doing. But yeah, what do we have, Mr. VIX? I thought this guy was going to be closing its gap, and I thought QQ and SPY were going to go up and fill their gaps. Well, QQQ still has a gap to fill. I told you guys recently on this channel that QQQ actually leaves a lot of gaps open, and SPY is what we should be watching for gap fills. So that is what we are really going to be watching for gap fills. But yeah, guys, we bounced right on the golden pocket, which is pretty damn cool, right on SPY and QQQ. Now, what I will say is SPY is approaching its uptrend, okay? And if this uptrend breaks, we have this 362.17 target, which would be a double bottom down here, all right? Now, if we go down there, I really don't know what's going to happen. Double bottom clearly would suggest that we're going to be rallying, but like, again, there's probably going to be a fake out, something like this, right? You have this huge rally, you come back down to this area, everyone thinks you're double bottoming. Oh, look at this bounce, look at that bounce, look at that, look at that. Oh, rug pull, and you go down for a new low. What was our new low here? Yeah, another $30 down. So who says that doesn't happen? I'm not saying that doesn't happen. All right, guys. So we got these targets on the board. We have these golden pockets here. Now I said that if we don't hold the golden pocket, that is suggesting that we are going to be coming back down to these lows. All right. Now, as of right now, I am pretty convinced that we are already coming down to these lows. All right. QQQ, we literally have this target at the low. Okay. All right. The SPY target at the low, as long as we close under here, which would be around 389.50. We'll say we have to close. We need a daily close on a 389.50, and that confirms that we are going down to this target right here. Now, I know for a fact they're going to be expensive, more expensive than if I went long like I wanted to at the top of today. But again, I mean, it's not confirmation there. But again, I did tell you guys that I knew once we had this daily close, this target is going to be fucking hit. All right, this target is being hit, and now that we also identified the bump and run, now this target is going to be hit. So like, I honestly should have taken them right away when we had this daily close. I should have taken the puts. I didn't. Okay, I didn't. I thought I would be getting a better entry, and I want to stick to my rules. I don't want to fucking. I don't want to go short when we are all the way down here when you're getting a bullish divergence, right? That's just not. That's not the way. All right, like you will lose eventually if you keep taking that setup. I guarantee it. Okay, and we've made plenty of gains that I would like to hold on to. Okay, I would not like to lose what I made. Okay, and this made me a holy shit ton of money. I don't want to lose that. Okay, straight up, like I just want to keep growing my accounts. I don't care if they just explode. I don't. All right, so I think you guys should be doing the same thing. Okay, so what we did identify in Bitcoin though is we did have this bullish diverges on the daily time frame, along with a broadening formation that could be a bottom. We saw the same thing on AMC, and then we rallied up, I believe, over 100%. Now, I don't know if this is going to suggest the bottom, but I do know that we have bearish targets on the board for SPY and QQQ, which suggests that this will guarantee not be the bottom. So I know it was a nice little fake out. I had you guys going there, but yeah, guys, this isn't going to be the bottom. Ain't going to be the bottom. We got this target on the board, and overall, this is our target zone that we are shooting for right here. But yeah, I do think we are eventually going to make our way down here, but there are no targets suggesting that. That is just support and resistance suggesting that we are going to be going down to those levels. But yeah, if QQQ and SPY are making, if we're going back down to lows, guys, Bitcoin, I could pretty much guarantee that Bitcoin will be visiting its low as well. That means Mara will be falling off a cliff, and that will be very exciting. Okay, I just want to see how long when we got into this range right here. So how long did it take for us to really get to the bottom? All right, it was just about a month. Okay, so if we fall very hard in the month of September, guys, maybe Mara gives us a bottom. And I told you guys I'm gonna be going all in on Mara whenever that is. Okay, well, maybe honestly with what I've seen and I guess experienced recently, I will not be going all in, but I'll be going very, very, very heavy. All right, guys. I guess we'll finish off with a weekly time frame. Okay, your VIX, you are it's looking like solid. Okay, but I mean this is starting to come down, and who says you don't cool off? Like we cooled off if we come over to SPY. Okay, if we come over to SPY, look how this got halfway up and then we came down. Maybe we have a situation like that, and then we set ourselves up for a bigger push like that. Okay, but that would be on the VIX. Now I'm just saying, okay, we finally broke out of our wedge that we have been talking about for so long on the VIX. We have this gap, but I said I don't think this is going to be filled. I don't know. I think we're going to probably push up before we push down. But guys, I'm just saying, like, without any more bad catalysts coming out, like if something doesn't come out over the weekend that's negative or on Tuesday, we're probably going to start getting our bounce. But I'm not sure. Okay, I'm really not sure. But yeah, okay, just realize I am looking to short every single bounce. I don't think the month of September has anything good in store for us. And with that being said, I will catch you guys next video. Fuck, it was 9 minutes. Damn it. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys next video. I will get that eventually. I will stick to my word with the timing that I say in the beginning of the video. Oh, I tried so fast. I was speaking so fast, guys. All right, guys, have a lovely damn weekend. And you know what, guys, just fathom and dream. Just dream over the weekend about all the money that we're going to be making over the next year, all right? Straight up, all right? Always remember, you are going to be rich as fuck in the near-term future, okay? In near term, I consider that the next 2 years, okay? But at the same time, like, I mean, people probably don't even think that far out. So, all right, guys, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.